Hello students, as in the last lecture, we studied about the treatments of bill of exchange in the books of a drawer, right? Now this lecture we will understand the meaning of treatment of bill of exchange in the books of Troy, right? Now, what are the options available with the DROI after accepting the bill of exchange? First option is available with the DROI is to be bill to be honored. Now, what is the meaning of bill to be honored? Bill to be honored, it said when the DROI makes the payment of bill of exchange on its due date to the drawer, then it is said to be that the bill is to be honored. याचाच अर्थ ड्यू डेटला दिलेल्या मुदतीला दिलेल्या तारखेला ज्यावेळेस ट्रॉई बिलाचे पैसे ड्रॉवरला देतो त्यावेळेस त्याला म्हटलं जातं बिल इज टू बी हॉनर्ड राईट नाव सेकंड बिल टू बी डिसऑनर्ड नाव व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग इज बिल टू बी डिसऑनर्ड bill is to be said to be dishonored by non-acceptance and non-payment by the DROI. It means when DROI refuses to accept the bills, it is said that bill is to be dishonored by non-acceptance, and when the DROI refuses to make the payment bill of exchange on its due date, then it is said it to be that the bill is to be dishonored for non-acceptance of for non-payment of bill of exchange, right? म्हणजेच काय तर ड्रॉई बिल स्वीकारायला नकार देतो त्यावेळेस म्हटलं जातं बिल डिसऑनर झालं म्हणजेच काय तर ड्रॉई म्हणतो मी हे बिल ॲक्सेप्ट करणार नाही त्यावेळेस म्हटलं जातं बिल डिसऑनर आणि ड्यू डेटला ज्यावेळेस ड्रॉई म्हणतो की मी या बिलाचे पैसे तुम्हाला देणार नाही त्यावेळेस म्हटलं जातं बिल डिसऑनर ड्यू टू नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज राईट नाव इन बिल डिसऑनर अगेन there are 4 options that we will learn when we study the we study the journal entries, right? Now bill to be retired, it means when DROI makes a payment bill of exchange before its due date to the drawer, then it is said that the bill is to be retired. म्हणजेच काय तर ज्या वेळेस ड्रॉई बिलाचे पैसे बिलाच्या ड्यू डेटच्या आधी पेमेंट करतो ड्रॉवरला देतो त्यावेळेस म्हटलं जातं की बिल रिटायर झालं याचाच अर्थ काय समजा बिलाची ड्यू डेट असेल 15 फेब्रुवारी आणि जर का ड्रॉई ड्रॉवरला 15 जानेवारीलाच पैसे देत असेल म्हणजेच काय तर 1 महिना आधी तो ड्रॉवरला पैसे देतोय तेव्हा म्हटलं जातं बिल रिटायर झाले वेळेच्या आधी ड्रॉवरला पैसे देणं यालाच म्हटलं जातं बिल रिटायर झालं या ट्रीटमेंटमध्ये किंवा या ऑप्शनमध्ये वेळेच्या आधी पैसे मिळण्या करणारे ड्रॉईला थोडीशी सूट देतो किंवा थोडीशी डिस्काउंट देतो राईट त्यालाच म्हटलं जातं रिबेट म्हणजेच काय अ डिस्काउंट गिवन बाय द ड्रॉवर टू द ड्रॉई फॉर मेकिंग द अर्ली पेमेंट ऑफ बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज. And last is bill is to be renewed. Bill to be renewed, it means what? When the drawee approaches the drawer and said that due to some reason I cannot make the payment of bill of exchange on its due date, cancel the old bill and prepare a new bill in the name of me, then it is said to be that bill is to be renewed. Bill renewed म्हणजेच काय तर ड्रॉवरला अप्रोच करतो आणि ड्रॉवरला सांगतो की काही कारणास्तव मी तुम्हाला ड्यू डेटला बिलाचे पैसे देऊ शकत नाही तुम्ही माझं जुनं बिल कॅन्सल करा आणि माझ्या नावावरती नवीन बिल बनवा राईट तेव्हाच त्याला म्हटलं जातं बिल टू बी रिन्यूड राईट बिल टू बी रिन्यूड मध्ये जुनं बिल कॅन्सल केलं जातं आणि नवीन बिल बनवलं जातं समजा नवीन बिलामध्ये 2 महिने आणखीन वाढवून दिले जातील किंवा नवीन बिलामध्ये 2 महिन्यानंतर पैसे मिळणार असतील तर ड्रॉईला त्या 2 महिन्यांबद्दलचं इंटरेस्ट आणि काही पैसे आगाऊ द्यावे लागतात सपोज बिलाची अमाऊंट 10,000 असेल तर ड्रॉवर काय म्हणतो ठीक आहे मी तू 2,000 रुपये ॲडव्हान्स कॅशमध्ये मला आता दे आणि राहिलेल्या 8,000चं मी बिल आणवतो आणि या 8,000 रुपये तू मला 2 महिन्यानंतर देणार आहे म्हणून त्या 2 महिन्यांचं सुद्धा तुला मला व्याज द्यावं लागेल राईट सो द बिल इज रिन्यूड टू बी वेन द ड्रॉई अप्रोचेस द ड्रॉवर अँड से दॅट आय एम अनेबल टू मेक द payment on due date so please cancel the old bill and prepare the new bill in the name of the me right so this is the accounting treatment of bill of exchange regarding the drawer and drawee now understand all the meaning about treatment of bill of exchange in the books of drawer and drawee now we move forward for the accounting entries or for recording the transaction in the books of drawer and drawee. So now we will see how to record the transactions in the books of account, in the book of drawer and in books of drawee. As we already learned that drawer, drawee and payee are the personal accounts. So for this we will apply the personal rule, and for bill of exchange, in that bill receivable and bills payable, it is the real account, so we will apply the rules of real account. And for discount, interest, all are the expenses, so we will apply here the nominal rule account. See, right? Now see the accounting entries. As we are see that the bills of exchange is started with the credit transaction. It means buying and selling of a goods on the credit. So the first transaction will be sale of goods on credit by drawer to the drawee, right? Because we are knowing that the bill of exchange will started with the selling of goods on credit. So when drawer sell the goods to the drawee on credit, what entry should be passed in the books of drawer and what entry should be passed in the books of drawee? See that in the books of drawer, as the drawer personal account and he sold the goods to the drawee. So as we are knowing, drawee is a personal account, debit the receiver, and sell, it is the nominal account, credit all incomes and gains. So the journal entry in the books of drawer will be drawee's account debit to sales account. And as the drawee is purchase the goods, so for him purchase nominal account, debit all expenses, and drawers is a personal account, credit the giver, so purchase account debit to drawers account. See, as all this we are learn already in the 11th standard as per the golden rules of accounting. So remember one more time the journal entry in the books of the drawer. For sale of goods on credit, drawee's account debit to sales account, and purchase account debit to drawer's account, right? Now see the second entry. As we are knowing that after selling of goods on credit, the second part will be for drawing of bill and acceptance of bill. So on acceptance of the bill by the drawee, what entry should be passed in the books of drawer and what entry should be passed in the books of drawee? As we are knowing, as the drawer is receiving the bill from the drawee, right? So for him it is the bill receivable, it is the real account, debit what comes in. So bill receivable account is the debit, and who is the giver? The drawee who accept the bills and given to the drawer. So drawee's account will be credit. See that entry, bill receivable account debit to drawee's account. As this, see the opposite, because drawee is accepting the bill and drawee is making the payment. So for him it is a bills payable, right? Bills payable, debit, credit what goes out. So he is making the payment against the bill. So bill is going from in his hand to the drawers. So for him it is a bills payable and drawer is the receiver. So drawer's account debit to bills payable account. As you go through these two important entries, you see that if you remember the first entry, the second entry you did not it is not required to be remembered by two, because it is the opposite entry of all this. As the rules says, see the goods sold on credit, drawer's book, drawee's account debit to sales account, as he is the seller and he is the purchaser. So purchase account debit to drawer's account. As the drawer drawn the bill, so for him bill receivable account debit to drawee's account. As opposite of this, drawee is credited here. So in the books of drawee, the drawer's account debit to bills payable account. See, bills receivable debit, bills payable credit, drawee's account credit, drawer's account debit, sales credit, purchase debit, drawee's debit, drawer's credit. Right? And remember one thing, for your all question, for your all transaction, these two entries will be appear in your each and every questions, right? Now go to the second part. As the treatments of bill of exchange, we will learn that for the drawer there are 4 options available with him. We will go one by one. As the first option, we are knowing that bill discounted with the bank, right? When drawer discount the bill with the bank, what entry should be passed in the books of drawer? As he is getting the money from the bank, right? So for him cash comes in, so cash account debit. When he receives the money in the form of a check, bank account will be the debit. And as he is not receiving the whole money, suppose if the 10,000 bill is 10,000 amount of a bill, he is receiving only 9,000 and 1,000 is a discount. As he is getting less amount and he has to pay the expenses, so expenses nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, so discount account is debit, and bill receivable as credit what goes out, because now bill is moved from the drawer's hand to the bank hand for discounting, right? So the entry will be cash and bank account debit, discount account debit to bill receivable account, right? And see that in the books of a drawee it is written no entry. Why it is no entry? Because what is the duty of the drawee? When he accepted the bill, when he signed the bill, he returned the bill to the drawer, and after that he is not in the picture, he directly come into the picture on the due date for making the payment. Then whatever is the option, it is in the hands of a drawer, not in the hands of the drawee. याचाच अर्थ एकदा बिल ॲक्सेप्ट केल्यानंतर ड्रॉईचा बिलाशी संबंध संपतो. ड्रॉई पिक्चरमध्ये केव्हा येतो तर बिल ॲक्सेप्ट केल्यानंतर ड्यू डेटला ज्या वेळेस ड्रॉई पेमेंट करतो तेव्हाच ड्रॉईचा बिलाशी संबंध येतो. तोपर्यंत ड्रॉवर बिलाला डिस्काउंट करतोय, एंडोर्समेंट करतोय किंवा बँकेला कलेक्शनला देतोय. ड्रॉईचा त्याच्याशी संबंध नसतो. म्हणून बिल डिस्काउंट, एंडोर्समेंट आणि सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन याच्या ऑप्शनमध्ये ड्रॉईच्या बुक्समध्ये एंट्री केली जात नाही, राईट. नाव सी द थर्ड एंडोर्समेंट ॲज फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट, सेकंड एंडोर्समेंट, राईट. एंडोर्समेंट म्हणजेच काय तर ड्रॉवर आपल्या नावावर असलेलं बिल दुसऱ्याच्या नावावर ट्रान्सफर करतो. म्हणजेच पुन्हा बिल याच्या हातातनं गेलं कोणाकडे जाणार आहे? एंडोसीला. एंडोसी इज वॉट? पर्सनल अकाउंट. सो रूल सेज दॅट वॉट? पर्सनल अकाउंट डेबिट द रिसिव्ह. हु इज रिसिव्हिंग? एंडोसी इज रिसिव्हिंग. द अदर पर्सन हु इज on whose the title of the bill is to be transferred. So endorsee account debit to bill receivable. Again in the books of a drawee, no entry will be there, right? And the third option, bill sent to bank for collection, right? Now again from the drawer's hand bill will be goes out. आता तो काय करतोय? बँकेला बिल देतोय, बरोबर. त्यामुळे बिल त्याच्या हातातनं गेलं, बिल काय होणार? क्रेडिट होणार. कोणाला देतोय? बँकेला देतोय. बँक इज फॉर वॉट? Personal account. So debit or receive. So bank for collection. If you go all three entries, you will remember one thing, that all three entries, bill receivable is credit, bill receivable credit, bill receivable credit. And what are the options are debit? Suppose bill discounted, so cash and bank account debit, discount account debit. If endorsement is there, endorsee account debit. If bills sent to bank for collection, then bank for collection his account is debit. And all for these three options, no entry in the books of drawee, right? So it is a simple trick to remember the journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee, right? Now one more thing remember is here, that's if you see the entry of a on acceptance entry, सी दॅट बिल रिसिवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ड्रॉई, बरोबर. याचाच अर्थ ज्यावेळी बिल ॲक्सेप्ट केलं जातं त्यावेळेस बिल रिसिवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट होतो. ज्यावेळेस ड्रॉवरच्या हातातनं बिल जातं त्यावेळेस बिल रिसिवेबल अकाउंट काय होतं आहे? क्रेडिट होतं आहे. बिल रिसिवेबल, बरोबर. इट मीन्स याच्या अपोज एंट्री. आणि डेबिट कोणाला करणार? तर जो ऑप्शन असेल तो ऑप्शन काय होणार? डेबिट होणार, राईट. सो आय थिंक दिस 5 entries are remembered by you. We will revise one more time. Sale of goods, drawers account debit to sales account, purchase account debit to drawers account, bill acceptance, bill receivable account debit to drawers account debit to bills payable account. Then 3 options, no entry in the books of drawee, and debit whatever is the option. Discounting, cash and bank account debit, discount account debit, endorsement, endorsee account debit, bill sent to bank for collection account debit, and credit bill receivable, credit bill receivable, right. Now we move forward for the next options.